Hey, all my fellow RuneScape players. I figured since the channel is starting to pop off, we got 3 videos these days. People have been clamoring, all my subscribers have been clamoring for a house apartment tour. Yeah, we'll call it an apartment tour video. So to appease all my subs, we'll just get right into it. I live in Lexington. That's where we start. That's where we're located here. Kind of on the outskirts of downtown. So, like 10, 15 minutes away. It's a drive. Anyway, so we'll start right here at the beginning, the front door. We got, a solid wood door. It's a newer house. So it doesn't have one of those little mail slots that old-timey mailmen used to use to put mail in. I actually have a mailbox, so don't have to worry about that. When you come in, please make sure to, take off your shoes and jacket. And then moving on, right next to the front door, we have my bicycle off-road cycling on-road. But it's actually a coat hat rack, as you can tell from the coats and hats. And we got, it's also an umbrella rack. That's cool too. Look at this. Reppin' Cincy. That's right. Cincinnati Reds. The Red Legs. Okay. And hallway. Psych. No, it's a hallway, but that's psych. Bert and Gustar and Sean, not that Sean. We also have our boy the boss FFS and his main Scion. That's always cool. We love League of Legends in this apartment. So after the hallway, we got closet. Cool coat closet. We have the half bath, real stinky in here. Awesome. Look at that. Check that out. All right, moving on. We have, we'll just go right over here to the garage. Oh, look at that. It's very spacious. Wow. It's so clean. Great. Awesome. We don't talk about it. Nice kitchen table that also doubles as a, wait for it. Oh, look, it's a gaming table with really well cut felt underneath. You can, don't worry about it. Anyway, over here, we got a walk-in pantry. Got all your pandemic supplies. We got soup. We got rice. We got ramen, peanut butter, everything you could ever want in a pantry / supply closet, because I got paper towels and stuff in there too. Over here, we got Caden Casey. Okay. I hope you got I had to zoom in real close. I don't really know if you saw it. Tiny wrists, so that's why I had to zoom in real close on that one. Fridge, we got eggs, chili, drinks. We got Monster energy drink. Please sponsor me, Monster. For those late night League of Legends games, in case you need to stay up, grind out the ranked ladder. Freezer, we got fish, we got vegetables, we got frozen jam, lots of ice. We got 2 ice makers. We got this ice maker, we got that ice maker. It's great. More veggies because we healthy around here. Air fryer. Boom. Got it in lock. Fry that fish up. Got ready to go pizza pan in case we need emergency pizza, because that happens on occasion. Got pizza peel. Oh, look at that. Pizza peel. Can't have pizza without pizza peel. Got nothing in there. Nothing in there. We got cups, crock pot, more cups and things. Spices for all of our cooking. We got sink. Got, oh, Zojirushi, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Great, more rice. Got lots of alcohol for all your partying needs. Got protein powder. I guess at this point I'm just kind of showing you what's in my kitchen, which I don't know if that's really that interesting. Hand sanitizer, because you always want to have clean hands in the kitchen. Got trash can. And moving on, out of the kitchen into the living room. Whoa, look at that. Hentai Dojinshi collection with conveniently placed tissues. We got the Slugger, a gift from my friend Jesse James. He's a cyclist and gaming YouTuber. I will link his video in the description, video channels in the description below. Over here, we have the very bright backyard. Got chair, fire pit. It's probably need to mow sometime. We got cardboard and fire starter for the fire pit in case we want to have a nice cozy night outside. Over here, nice couch and TV. Look at this honker of a TV. That's 55K, 4 inches. Honker of a TV. Great. Great stuff. Over here, the battle station, if you will. We got Discord up. We got video up. Also, I'll keep my, I'm a healthy boy. So we got to keep the multivitamins and of course the best supplement, fish oil. Love that stuff. We got cute little knickknacks here. We got Fire Engine Man, and we have Egg Drop Soup Boy. Yeah. Up here we have more knickknacks. We got a beating heart. We have Gerald. We have Grovile. We have Turkey Man trophy. Oh, check this out. Look at that. That is Adam, the Black Power Ranger, signed that, and next to it Lelouch, signed by Lelouch himself. Johnny Young Bosch, but he signed them as the characters, so that's kind of cool if you think about it. Next to him we have, look at that. That's Kirito Muzazaki. Yeah, with his Buster Blade, detachable. It's detachable with his favorite band, Rise Against, of course. We have a replica helmet of Master Chief, wearable. Don't worry about it. Moving on. We have this is an extra desk and storage space. This is what a Vive looks like when it's not set up. We have Switch games and supplies, and I think that pretty much take. Oh, look, fireplace. All that stuff was above a fireplace. It lights up. I just don't have the propane connected, or I would show that. That about covers it for the downstairs area. So I just realized I've been looking at the wrong side of my phone for staring into the camera, but hopefully you'll get over that. Moving on, we'll go upstairs here. The first floor is pretty much taken care of. Shoes off upstairs, boys. Am I right? All right. Wow, these are lots of stairs. I couldn't look at the camera. I had to make sure I didn't fall. Gaming, board games. Yeah. Best game, Gloomhaven down here. Yeah. Rubik's Cube. It's solved. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Impressive. Over here is where, I'd have a roommate. And, yeah. And moving on, this would be that roommate's bathroom. Oh, look at that. The roommate would have a nice walk-in closet. It's basically 2 bedrooms in one. What a deal. What a deal. Who wouldn't want to move into this? Huh. It's basically a 5-bedroom house with 3 full beds and 1 or 2 walk-in closets. Look at this. We got guest bedroom, no pee, another walk-in closet. Look at this. Look at this. I'm in here. I'm in this shit. Walk-in closet. So much space. I don't know why no one would want to move in with me. Especially if they had a crappy apartment and they were paying a ton on rent. And I was offering them cheaper rent for more space and a garage. It's a whole thing. Don't worry about it. Because that person would also get, look at this, a laundry, in-house laundry is what we do in this house. Yeah. Another walk-in hall closet. Lots of supplies in here. Cool stuff. We're at 11 minutes. I'm gonna have to speed things up a bit. All right, this is what you guys have been waiting for. It's the bedroom. That's right. Another honker of a TV. 50. Well, it says 40 inches, but it's actually 55. Don't ask. It's mislabeled. That's why I got it for cheap. Over here we got the bedroom. This is where the magic happens. And also we got a switch in case, you run out of breath doing bed things. So you got to play some Breath of the Wild. Recliner. We got PS3, Xbox 360 games. We got PC games over there. Guild Wars, the classics. And over here, look at that. Walk-in bathroom. Oh, wow. So nice. You know why this bathroom is so great? Poop closet. That's right. It's a closet just for poop. That way you don't stink up the rest of the bathroom. I should probably turn the light on. Maybe you see better. Whoa. Hey. All right. And the piece de la resistance. Walk-in closet again. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, my God. Joey Votto. And that about do it. It's a pretty big place. It's about